year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but...
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing some extreme cleaning. This was a super productive day for me, so I have tons of cleaning motivation for you guys. So if you're cleaning with me today, go ahead and let me know down in the comments, and if you're just hanging out with me today, go ahead and say hi so that I know that you were here, and we're going to go ahead and just jump right in.
Believe in the magic, and it can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. What you gonna do?
Alright you guys, so in this video today we are going to be cleaning. We have some rearranging to do in my office. We are going to be putting up a new teepee for Ava in her room and so much more. I just want my place to be a place that you guys can come and get motivation and inspiration. So I hope that this video gives you all the motivation that you need.
Baby, you got me. Slow ride, just you in that baseline. We're way past sunshine. Believe in the magic. Alright, step into the moonlight. Get into that good time. Believe in the magic, and it can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes...
I also want to thank you guys so much for your input on this basket here. I wasn't sure if I should leave a label or not on it, and a lot of you guys said just go ahead and leave the label on, so that is what I did. And I just realized right now as I'm watching the video, I don't even see the label on the basket, so I have to go see what happened. So what I'm using is the Caldrea spray. It is the Pear Blossom Agave. I know I've been talking about this counter spray forever. It just smells amazing, and I did get it from Grove Collaborative. And then I'm also using the Aunt Fanny's glass and window cleaner to clean the glass doors.
You got me. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now.
So I do want to mention that I will be having a fun giveaway next week in my next cleaning video, so make sure you guys don't miss it. It will be live on Tuesday, and I'm really excited for it. I just want to give you guys a little something back that I think that you guys would really enjoy and would be helpful for you in your home. I will be doing a giveaway for that on Tuesday.
Like to do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
So for a long time now, I have been considering and wanting to get Ava this teepee, and this company reached out to me, Taz Toys, to team up with me to share their beautiful tent. It is a kids teepee tent. It has fairy lights, it's waterproof base, and it comes with feathers. Ava was so excited to put this in her room, and I absolutely love the color of it. I love the neutral color. I just feel like it works with any room. You can actually find this teepee right on Amazon and get it in just a couple of days in time for Christmas and the holidays. I will have a discount code for you guys down below in the description box, but we're gonna go ahead and put this teepee together so I can show you how amazing it is. I'm just really happy to put a smile on Ava's face, you guys, because she seriously loves it. She goes inside of it, she'll watch her iPad or just kind of lay in there. Even Remy will go inside, which is super cute. He's actually slept in there a couple of nights, which I thought was really cute and really sweet. I just feel like if you have any little ones, that this would be a great gift for them.
to express yourself in your own way. And we could have some fun. No problems coming in and out.
So I called my husband in to go ahead and help me with the pine poles there. You just kind of need someone to kind of hold it. It just makes it easier. I'm sure I could have done it by myself, but I got it done a lot faster with his help. And then it also has 4 pockets on the side of it, so you can put a book there or anything. And then it has 2 windows with covers, so super cute. And we're just going ahead and putting the little twinkly lights on it and all the details to make it look nice and pretty for Ava.
Do what you like to, what you like to do. Do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep.
All right, you guys, so the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and get my office cleaned and reorganized. We're also going to be rearranging it today.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night.
Okay, so what I'm doing here is going ahead and flipping my desk around. I don't know if it's just me, but I just didn't want my back turned to the family when I'm editing for like a day and a half. So what I wanted to do is try it out by flipping my desk around and having it face outwards towards the household, and I love it. You guys, I feel so much better, and I really, really enjoy just like sitting at my desk and editing for hours now because I'm not just faced towards the window. There's nothing outside my window to look at, so this was definitely the best choice for me. It's not a big change, you guys, but it feels like a big change. And that's why I always swear by the simple, small things can make a huge difference.
Big makes me smaller than I wanna be, but I guess I'll get used to being small in a world that's not acting kind, even if I don't want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after
So I'm going to go ahead and take some of the things off this shelf. I just feel like it was way too cluttered, and I wanted to go ahead and bring that cute little lamp in here and just make it more cozy. The light at night in this lamp actually makes a huge difference. It makes the room feel cozier than the regular light on the ceiling. So I don't know what it is about lamps, but that's how I feel.
to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
you guys, so my room was a hot mess, but I liked showing you guys the real, the raw, the ugly, the mess. So I hope that this motivates you guys to clean up a space in your home, and we're just gonna get this space cleaned up and put together.
It's a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together, been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let off some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the
All right, guys, it is time to start wrapping some of our presents. Most of these presents are from my mom and brother and just like family members, but I wanted to get them wrapped, so I'm ahead of the game and I'm not wrapping on Christmas Eve. So I did go ahead and show an Instagram reel and shared this wrapping paper, and a lot of you guys over there had asked me about it, and I got it from Burlington Coat Factory, which I think it's called Burlington Coat now.
Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together, and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
So I am not a professional Christmas wrapper here. FYI, I just do the best I can, and one of the things I go ahead and do is once I pull out the sheet of wrapping paper that I know is going to fit the item, then I go ahead and just fold it all the way over to the edge and then bring the other fold over and go from there. So I do different things on the edges of the boxes. Sometimes it's a nice little triangle, sometimes it's more of like a rectangle shape on the side there, but I just make it work and do the best that I can. I don't want any extra stress added on or pressure. So these are gifts for my family, and I know that they're just going to appreciate the gifts. So just do the best that you can, you guys, and honestly, they're going to be happy no matter what. So I've been wanting to do this for years, you guys, and add reindeer antlers to my car. So I finally got a kit, and it is just so cute.
Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside, already settled.
All right, you guys, so Ava actually made these cards and went ahead and wrapped some little gifts for our family here. She's so cute, you guys. I just love it.
Hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something?
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you, and I hope you guys got some motivation from this video, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday. Don't forget to check out Taz Toys and their wonderful TP. I will see all of you guys in my next video. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.